and blogs.
A little bit of everything, really.
You can even listen live anywhere.
Never let me down.
There's so much to love
I love it.
at B9.
Transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Jackson Police Department for Traveion and Taveion Rogers. Traveion and Taveion are believed to be with Felicia Wilson and Damelia Hurt. Wilson and Hurt are wanted by the Jackson Police Department for kidnapping. Traveion and Taveion Rogers, Wilson and Hurt are believed to be traveling in an older model silver Chevrolet Impala. If you have seen Traveion, Taveion, Wilson or Hurt or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Jackson Police Department at 731-425-8430 or TBI at 1-800-TBI-FINOFD.
Confident and comfortable in her own skin. Knoxville Comprehensive Breast Centers